This week, we're testing Axis's IP video surveillance software called Axis Camera Station. It's important because of Axis's leading market share size in IP cameras, and more importantly because Camera Station software by itself has a very significant level of deployments, and if it was its own company, it would be one of the leading software providers in its space. But there are certainly some major limitations. First and foremost, only supports Axis cameras, so it can't use third-party cameras with it. Secondly, there are a lot of major enterprise features that are not provided by design and which would be deal breakers for many middle to large-scale deployments. Beyond that, there's certainly a reputation that VMS software from IP camera companies tends to be very rudimentary. Something you might use just to get started or if you don't know what anything else to do, but generally there's concerns about using it for real security operations. By contrast, the functionalities that Camera Station does have tend to be very sophisticated and powerful, and yet in general they tend to be easy to use. Let's take a quick look at that. This is the live monitoring view of Axis Camera Station. You'll notice that it supports maps, integrated web pages, fixed cameras, PTZ cameras, and a list of events that you can click to see the recorded video immediately. The software has strengths, but Axis is primarily a camera manufacturer. So it does beg the question, what is the future of Axis's IP video surveillance product offering? For its part, Axis has always stated that Camera Station is for smaller scale deployments, and it's not meant to be in competition with the major VMS vendors. To the contrary, many industry people believe that this is sort of an inevitability, that eventually Camera Station will become its own full-fledged enterprise offering. And so this makes Camera Station not only interesting for its technology itself, but to understand future competitiveness within the industry. In the test results, we'll go over a number of elements. First of all, we'll do screencast of all the major features so you can understand how the different features work and the strengths and weaknesses. Secondly, we'll make recommendations on its use and its optimization. And then finally, we'll analyze on the future competitiveness of Camera Station versus other products in the marketplace. Thank you.